Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2022, on a 71 plate Mazda 2 Sport. This is the 1.5 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in jet black metallic, and it's covered just 22,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around to this very good looking, high specification petrol Mazda 2. January 2022 registered. Just 22,000 miles from one private owner. Just the one owner from new. Fantastic looking little car. We got these lovely grey 16-inch alloy wheels which complement the jet black metallic very nicely. The car itself is in fantastic condition throughout. Wheels are all good, bodywork's excellent. Really good looking car. Looks very classy in this colour combo. It's just had a very recent full service at the main dealer, including brake pads, which was £600 or thereabouts. So, and MOT'd at the same time, so it's bang up to speed on its maintenance and ready to rock and roll. One of our favourite 5-door hatches, without question. If you've been following us for a while, you know that we get through a lot of these Mazda 2s. We've got another one coming into stock later this week or early part of next week. We sold one last week. Really good news vehicles. They look great. You've got 5-door practicality. They always come with a nice spec, and the petrol ones are exceptionally reliable. So they do tick an awful lot of boxes. As we have a look inside, nice cloth interior, sort of a dark blue. You've got a bit of contrast stitching there. Seats are all in great condition. Over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Mazda themselves, so nice and economical, £190 a year to tax. Door cards are all in good shape. Remote central locking, comes supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable power folding door mirrors. It's got its carpet mats, lane assist which you can switch off. It's got start stop which you can switch off as well. Automatic wipers up onto the steering wheel which is in excellent condition. You've got controls for your cruise control. You've got your radio controls, Bluetooth controls, automatic lights. It's a push button start as well. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, again with some nice stitching on the top. Then you've got controls for your infotainment system, which we'll come to in a second. 6-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut keys in there as well. And then down below we've got a nice bit of storage, and then you've got 12-volt sockets, you've got your SD card port for the sat-nav, you've got 2 USB inputs and an auxiliary. Air conditioning, or climatic air conditioning as we make our way up, of course. So if I start the car up, as long as I've got the keys about you, off we go. So it's a 4-cylinder petrol engine, naturally aspirated, so no turbo, timing chain engine, so no cam belt to worry about replacing. 22,500 miles. And then across to your infotainment, so it's all controlled off this twiddler down there. You've got DAB, Bluetooth for your telephone, sorry. You've got DAB digital radio. We've got satellite navigation. We've also got, as we come around to our applications, Apple CarPlay as well, so that you can get your Google Maps and obviously bang up to date on your traffic and so on. So really nice specification. If I put the car into reverse, we've got parking sensors at the back, and you get a parking pilot that comes up on the screen there. Nice clear screen as well. Just a very nice place to be. Extremely underrated in my opinion, the Mazdas. And this isn't a car review show. I'm not paid enough to do that, but we are big fans, and we stock cars we like. Electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats, so it is a comfortable 5-seater. Nice chrome tailpipe, and then into the boot space itself. Very usable, so you've got a parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then really good size, again in lovely condition. It's been very well looked after, that's for sure. And then underneath you've got your inflation kit, a bit more storage, and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, January 2022 Mazda 2 Sport with the navigation, 1.5 petrol, 6-speed manual gearbox, 22,000 miles from one private owner. Very recent service, and very recent MOT. MOT runs until the 23rd of January 2026. Finance is available from less than £220 a month based on a 10% deposit on a PCP deal. And the car will come supplied with that MOT until the end of January next year. 2 keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can also contact us via our email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Excellent looking car, cracking spec, very sensible running costs. This will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.